So I'm finally starting my first sewing project. This project is going to be fabric baskets. I figured they would be pretty easy to make, or at least a good beginner before jumping straight into a clothing item. And I have some scrap fabric that could be made into storage for my scrap fabric. I'm currently watching a YouTube video to get help. No one's really saying measurements or anything. They're just saying you need 4 squares of the same size for inner and an outer lining. So I'm just gonna see what size squares I can make out of the fabric that I do have. This dark green one, and then I have 2 of this pink one. I have my scissors, clips, and a ruler. I'm first gonna start with making squares of the same size. I'm going to see the largest that I can go. So I didn't have any of the felt or like the padding that the tutorials are suggesting, but I did find this random fabric roll at work. They already have kind of an adhesive feel to them, so I think they're, as you can see, it's kind of sticking on its own.
I'm not even gonna touch my instrument.
Stay with me now. Stay with me now, y'all.
Hold on.
Boom, boom, boom.
More music to share.